Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video you will brief review on OnePlus Nord 2T. OnePlus Nord 2T presents a 6.43 inches AMOLED display with a 1080x2400 pixels resolution and punch hole at the top left corner. The bezel-less display of the smartphone also features a pixel density of 409 pi and an aspect ratio of 29. On the rear surface of the OnePlus Nord 2T, the brand has placed a triple camera setup. It ensures detailed photographs with a 50-megapixel f1.9 main lens, 8-megapixel f2.25 ultra-wide-angle lens, and 2-megapixel f2.4 mono lens. For the front side, there is a 32-megapixel selfie camera. A MediaTek chipset along with 8GB LPDDR4X RAM promises great processing speed and an amazing gaming experience. It is also backed by an octa-core processor, built with a dual Cortex-A78 and a Cortex-A55 layout, performing with the highest frequency of 3 GHz. In addition, a Mali G77MC9 GPU takes care of the graphics part. The operational energy of the OnePlus Nord 2T comes from a 4500 mAh polymer battery. It is non-removable and gets charged by an 80W Super VOOC charging mechanism. A UFS 3.1 Type 128GB internal storage is available within OnePlus Nord 2T, and it does not include the option of expansion. Connectivity features available are 5G, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, NFC, a GPS with GLONASS, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth V5.2, and USB Type-C. This was simple review of OnePlus Nord 2T. Stay tuned to see this type review video on smartphone. Thanks.